Well, this evening, the future of an Austin police officer is in the hands of a jury.
Officer Daniel Sanchez shot and killed 33-year-old tech entrepreneur Rajan Munasinghe in November of 2022 while responding to a 911 call. Our report will contain video of that shooting.
KXAN's Brianna Hollis has covered this trial for us since it started last week, and Bree, jurors started deliberating just before noon.
That's right. So about 5 hours now, and I actually just stepped out of the courtroom because jurors had some questions about testimony that needed to be answered on the record. The judge is also giving them the decision to stay deliberating well into the late hours of tonight or to go home soon and pick things back up on Monday morning. Now, this case clearly has a profound impact on so many people, many of them in this very hallway tonight, anxiously awaiting the jurors' decision. 5 days in a courtroom packed to capacity. 5 days of lines forming outside an hour before the building opens, culminating with each side's final arguments, hoping to prove their point about the legality of Officer Daniel Sanchez's actions on November 15th, 2022.
Draw the gun!
The shooting began with a 911 call reporting Munasinghe walking around his house with a rifle.
Rajan Munasinghe was not in the imminent commission of murder or attempting to use or using unlawful deadly force when Daniel Sanchez shot him 5 times.
He didn't know if Mr. Munasinghe was a homicide. He didn't know if he was trying to kill his family.
A toxicology report later showed Munasinghe had cocaine in his system at the time of the shooting. One of the defense's primary arguments is that Munasinghe could have been shooting someone else in that moment or shooting at police, so deadly force was reasonable.
You don't have to wait until a rifle is pointed at you. You don't have to wait until a shot is fired. Why? Because it is important to save other people's lives.
Prosecutors, on the other hand, say Munasinghe wasn't going to hurt any innocent people and argued video evidence shows he wasn't going to shoot police.
Each shot is an independent instance for which Officer Sanchez can be found guilty, and you need not agree on which shot.
2 sides, 2 sets of loved ones, all in all so far 2 weeks of attorneys fighting for the futures of their clients. Now, the punishment range for a deadly conduct charge is 2 to 10 years, and probation is possible for someone who doesn't have a criminal record. In the state of Texas, defendants are allowed to choose whether to have the judge or the jury decide a punishment, and if Officer Sanchez is found guilty, his team has chosen the jury in this case, and we're going to be on verdict watch for you until that decision comes down. Jen and Daniel.